U.S. labor market showing signs of stellar strength this past week, the week ahead is poised to provide further details about the employment picture, as well as more insights into the direction of the economy. Investors will get fresh data on factory orders to start the week after the Institute for Supply Management's Manufacturing Index made a solid rebound in May. The week also sees new productivity and costs numbers, the ISM's non-manufacturing index, and an update Tuesday from the Labor Department on the latest job openings and labor turnover survey. This is better known as JOLTS. This should give investors a better idea about the latest monthly changes in job openings, hires, and separations. Recent JOLTS data had pointed to a tremendous amount of openings, suggesting the likelihood the labor market would continue improving against a backdrop of upbeat business confidence. The corporate calendar is also chock full of events in the week ahead, including United Health Group's annual shareholder meeting on Monday. The healthcare sector's consistently given a boost to private payrolls recently. This is despite massive consolidation and tech-inspired industry changes. United Health has been exploring operational efficiencies both through M&A and innovation as the company aims to boost its footprint in Latin America as well as within its domestic markets. The corporate calendar in the week ahead also includes Tesla's annual shareholder meeting on Tuesday, and AKS Steel set to be at Deutsche Bank's Global Industrials and Materials Summit on Wednesday. This will likely be interesting for investors following metals companies after the Trump administration imposed tariffs on imported Mexican, Canadian, and European Union steel and aluminum. Visit the IB Trader workstation for a full list of U.S. and global economic data, corporate events and earnings, IPOs, and more. I'm Steven Levine with Interactive Brokers, asking you to enjoy your weekend.